Welcome to another episode of Box TV. So this episode is about when Obama reach yard. Me, War Professor, and the entire Box clan have a 24-hour travel guide for you. Now here goes. We know say only 24 hours you have to visit the place. So we're not gonna make you run up and down. We just want you to go 4 places for we and that's it. Number 1, we want you to go visit Dugga Town. Cause every time we go down there I get stinker than Shana Chin pussy.
No, we can't say that. Scratch that.
Alright. Anyway, scratch that. Yeah, go down a town and ask them how come the food so expensive. And ask Portia if she can do something about the smell. Because she take her time and find money to clean up the whole place to try and impress her. But more you make up a detour. You see how them pretty road there, more you make a circle and go suburbs. 2, go around one of the gully. Yeah, take a look in it and ask Portia if she can clean up that tub. 3, what you do with all a favor. Go for JPS and ask them one question for it. How you determine the rates and how come the rates so high? And last but not least, want you stop by over Horizon and go visit the world boss. And want you look around in the GSL to see if you see a studio over there. Because up to now, all the people think say, this music the man I make, him actually did it before him get locked up. Enough more things there on the list, but guess what? A 24 hour, so guess what? Just check out them things there, but make sure you go over JPS and down a dirty town. Hope you enjoy the stay.
Go over El Chateau.
Eat 2 pieces of fish and bammy.
Bun a 1 spliff.
And big up yourself because you're the boss. Enough other Caribbean island feel away like how you come to Jamaica and not for them country. But oh well. If you agree with this video, share, comment, like. Box. Don't move your face and don't forget to subscribe to War Professa On Box TV. Check out my YouTube, my IG, my Twitter, and my Facebook. Big up the whole entire Box clan. I roll presidential style today, yo. Drive the car on the dog.
Ready?
And remember, bad mind, can't hold me down. Check out that tune up on YouTube. Forward dog, but gone.